Side-lying position for lateral trunk stability. You're going to start lying on your side, head is supported in a neutral position on the pillow. You're going to set your back nice and straight. Your hips are roughly in 45 degrees, bottom arm is flexed 90 degrees in front of you. You're going to take nice deep breath into your chest, breathing out, bringing your ribs into expiratory position. Then you are going to activate the intra-abdominal pressure, trying to get it 360 degrees around. You're going to press the bottom arm into the floor, activating the shoulder. You can check the upper trapezius on the bottom side should be nice and relaxed. Your trunk should be off the floor at this time. Then you're going to push the bottom leg whole to the floor and just keeping that pressure and just breathing. You can add some variations like flexing, so bringing the top leg up and down into flexion extension, or just the clamps. From common mistakes, what we see is basically pushing the trunk too much off the floor, creating almost like a little bit of arch. It's bottom latissimus dorsi strategy, or shrugging with the top shoulder. That should stay nice and neutral.